Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your services from Truist, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your services from Truist, begin by gathering your account information. Make sure you have your account number and any necessary identification ready. Next, visit the Truist website to find the customer service contact information. You can also opt to use the Truist mobile app for assistance. If you prefer speaking to someone, call the customer service hotline. Be prepared for potential wait times, as this may take a while. Once you reach a representative, clearly state your intention to cancel your services. Provide your account details as requested for authentication. Ask about any consequences or fees associated with canceling your services. If you are canceling a specific service, such as credit cards or loans, confirm the cancellation details. Request confirmation of your cancellation via email or postal mail. If you prefer to cancel in writing, draft a formal cancellation request. Include your account number, contact information, and the specific services you wish to cancel. Mail this letter to the appropriate Truist address, ensuring you keep a copy for your records. Monitor your account statements to ensure that no further charges are applied. If needed, follow up with customer service to confirm that the cancellation has been processed. Finally, keep a record of all communications until you receive confirmation of cancellation. This ensures that you have all necessary documentation in case of future discrepancies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.